This jollof rice is so delicious. I made it with some turkey, chicken and some fresh fish. You guys, little of this and that, and the end result of the jollof rice was mind-blowing. So keep watching and let's do this. Hello lovelies, let's get started. Over here are my proteins which I have washed really well. I'm going to grate some ginger, garlic and chop some onions. I will transfer the proteins in my pot and add my spices, seasoning cubes, curry powder, salt and bay leaves. I will mix very well to combine, cover and allow it to cook on a medium heat. Meanwhile, I will blend my peppers, tomatoes and onions, transfer in my pot and allow it to cook down. At this time, I check on the proteins and it's ready. I'm going to take it out of the stock and then sieve the stock to achieve smooth and clean stock for my jollof rice. Once that is done, I will fry the proteins. I'm going to add some vegetable oil in a pot and allow it to heat up. Next, I will add the proteins and allow it to fry. You can also air fry or grill if you prefer. The proteins has been frying for a while and it has fried to my satisfaction. I'm going to take it out of the oil and continue frying the rest until I am done. Next, I will chop some onions, fresh curry leaves and set aside. To make the stew base for the jollof rice, in the same oil I will add my chopped onions and fresh curry leaves. Allow it to fry. Next, I will add my tomato paste. Mix very well to combine and allow it to fry until the sour taste is gone. Once that is done, I will add my cooked tomatoes and my spices, smoked paprika powder, white pepper and seasoning powder. I will mix very well to combine and allow it to fry for 6 minutes. Don't forget to stir now and then so that it doesn't burn. 6 minutes later, I will add my parboiled rice, some shaki which I cut into tiny pieces. You guys, please ignore and pretend you didn't see anything. It is because of my sweet mouth. Better food no go buy me o. I'm going to mix very well to combine. Cover with parchment paper and allow it to cook on a medium heat. At this time, I check on the rice and as you can see, it still has some moisture. I'm going to gently mix, cover and allow it to cook on a low heat until the moisture dries up. Few minutes later, I check on it and it's ready. It turns out really delicious. Serve and enjoy. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.